Here I am in the hallowed grounds of the Keller Williams office, the Hill Team office in particular. And it's a great day because it's my birthday and I'm closing on my lovely client's co-op condo. Oh, it's such an exciting day and I couldn't ask for a better birthday present really, could I? So I've got to pick up a little gift basket and then move on to the closing itself. Happy birthday to me, I'm gonna hand over a key to my nice client, who is now a first-time homeowner. Yay, that song could have done with some work. So a co-op facts. When you buy a condo, you're buying a unit in a building with multiple units with shared common areas. And a co-op, if you're interested, is where you're actually buying shares in the whole building, and you get to live in your unit and treat it as like it's a normal condo, but you never actually own the unit, you just own a share of the entire building. And because that's a little rarer on the west coast than it is on the east coast, people get a bit frightened of co-ops. Maybe they feel like the equity doesn't gain quite as rapidly as it would in a normal condo, and that can be true. But what is also true is you can usually find your way into home ownership for a little less money than a regular condo. Here we are, Lower Queen Anne. There's the mountain in the background, and here's our building. Here I am with the happy homeowner, just as I've handed over her keys and she's wiped a few tears of joy from her face. And what's amazing is that she was out of town at a wedding when this property came on the market, and so I showed her it over FaceTime, so sight unseen more or less, and we won the offer, and it's all worked out so great.
Oh, look at that. It's incredible.
Oh, it's so clean and empty. Yay!
No, it's not. Oh my god, it's just incredible.
There it is.
Oh my god,
That is so great. It's beautiful.
I can't believe that you considering here.
That is truly the best birthday present I could ever ask for. Seeing the tears of joy roll down my client's face. She's so happy and I'm so happy for her, and that is why we do this. We do this to make people happy, and the look on their faces when they close on their first home is just wonderful. So, yay!